Everyone, so now we are going to discuss the VRRP. If you remember, in our previous class we discussed the HSRP and we told HSRP work on the Cisco device, and if we have the other vendor we need to use the VRRP. So this is also important protocol. If you are using the other than Cisco device, we can use this protocol. This is the VRRP. We need to remember the full form: Virtual Router Redundancy Protocol. This is a open standard. Okay, this is a open standard. It is similar to HSRP. It works same like HSRP, only the difference is it will work in other vendor device. And there is a timer different also. In VRRP we have the hello timer 1 second, hold on time 3 seconds, whereas the HSRP we have the hello timer as 3 seconds and the hold on time is 10 seconds. So timer is different, and also what we can say, this will work in the any device. VRRP will work in the any vendor. Time is different also. And if we see MAC address also different, some minor difference, but most important and the most common difference is this will be working in the any vendor device, and we have the different timer, hello timer and the hold on timer. And here in this one VRRP we are using one as a master, another as a backup. If you remember, in our previous class we told HSRP is using one as a active, another as a standby. One as a active, another as a standby. But here what we are saying in this one we are saying that one as a master, other as a backup. Okay, and same thing they are using the multicast address is 244.0.0.18 for sending the hello messages and election. They will use this multicast IP, and the MAC address they will use 0.000.5E00.01XX. In the place of XX we will have the group number. Example, if I am using the group 1, so it will come as a 01 here. As we discussed before for the HSRP, same thing we have here for VRRP. And VRRP use own transport protocol, and the number is 112. In VRRP, preemption is enabled by default. If you remember, in our previous class we enable the preemption, but here no need to enable. By default it is enabled. In HSRP by default it is disabled. In the VRRP by default it is enabled. Preempt can be disabled. If we want to disable, we can disable by writing no VRRP preempt command under the interface. And here also same, we have the virtual IP address, and we will assign that one as we do in the HSRP. And the same thing here also, they are going to check the priority. Whoever is having high priority, that guy is going to become as a master. Other guy who is having the low priority, that guy is going to become as a backup. And we can increase the priority like from 100 to 255. There are 3 versions for the VRRP, like version 3 support the IPv6, and IPv4 it is supporting the like what we can say, version 2 supporting IPv4. In simple, just we are saying we have the 3 version. Currently we are using version 2. Version 2 is supporting only IPv4. IPv6 will not work in the version 2. If you want to use IPv6, then we need to use the version 3. So now we will do one lab, so you will have the idea. This is theory about the VRRP. Just remember, this is similar to HSRP. Everything will be same, only hello timer is same, and multicast IP is same, and MAC address is multicast IP is different, MAC address is different, hello and the hold on time is different, and it is working in the open standard, that is it will work in all the vendors, whereas HSRP is working only in the Cisco device. Okay, so let me stop this theory, and then we will